Most AI builder out there will promise you to help you build your ideas to life with a single prompt. And quite frankly, majority of them work. But what most of them will not tell you is that there's a long journey between you prompting to design that app and you actually having that app live. Because you get to mess with a lot of things like setting up a GitHub account, setting up a Supabase, Vercel. You need to do authentication, API requests, a lot of back and forth into things you don't know. And a lot of people find this very, very confusing, especially if you don't have any tech or development skill. If you've ever designed an app with Cloud Code, with Lovable, with Bolt, whatever platform you've used, you will know exactly what I'm talking about, that you have a lot of headaches to deal with in terms of environment variables, API connection, pushing to life. Is a lot of hassle. But what if I told you there is a platform that literally will save you that hassle? One single platform to design, to build, to deploy. Just give it a prompt and you have a live website. Just from your prompt to a live app, and you can start this literally for free. I'm talking about a platform called Hostinger Horizon. In my opinion, it's become the easiest method to build whatever it is you have in your head. It's just amazing how it works. I don't want to talk over your head. Let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. So right here is Hostinger Horizon, and if you come here, I will leave a link to Hostinger Horizon in the video description for you to be able to come here. If you come here, you can see vibe code your website or app today, and everything you want to do from here is to just drop the idea you have in your head, and that's it. And you can see from here that you can start this literally for free, no credit card required whatsoever. Is as good as that. You can start this literally for free, and you can also come down to their template. You'll be able to see amazing stuff, amazing template that you can even jump on, whether it is an e-commerce, is a portfolio, is a health and beauty. You can search for more, and we are in a day and age where people need more than a website. People need workable solutions. So if you are still designing website for clients, you are definitely going to be out of business real soon, because right now, if you're designing website or app for people, you want to sell solutions. You want to be able to know something that can solve an actual bespoke problem for your client. And that's why vibe coding has become so useful to everyone if you can really develop those kind of solutions. And that's the day and age we are right now. So getting to have a platform like this that you can use literally for free is a breath of fresh air. And if you come to the pricing, you can see that you can use this for $0 per month, and you get 5 AI credit for you to start. But the not so good part about this is that you don't get to have a free domain, no free mailboxes, no free hosting. And that's the beauty. Hostinger is a reputable hosting company that have worked well even before the days of vibe coding. Now they understand the solution of everyday people like you and I that just want to have a platform that gives you everything. So from Hostinger, you get a platform where you can vibe code, you can develop that app, you get to have free domain, free professional emails, you get to have free hosting for your app, everything you need literally. So if you come here to one of their paid plan, you will see that you get to have like 30 AI credits per month, and you can see what that is priced at per month. And then you get to have one mailbox for your website. You have hosting. You can create one website. You can add users. You can log in, data storage, project version history, SEO optimized projects. That's way crazy. Get found by AI tools, a prompt with text, basic support. And if you come here, you get to see a lot of other awesome stuff that you can do. I don't want to waste your time. Let's just start building something. So for this tutorial, I have an idea of a app in my head. It's called a website business idea generator. So I want to build an app or a website that can help people discover any online business they can do based on their skill set or maybe based on their budget. So I noticed that that's a problem for a lot of people. They have skill set, they don't even know what online business will fit their skill set. They don't even know what they should focus on, even based on their budget. Let's just see if this tool can help us build an app like that. And it will be super, super interesting. So let's get started. I have had ChatGPT help me put my ideas into prompt. So I will just paste that here. Like I told you, you can see here, this is a very, very long prompt. As you can see, we want to build a modern web app called Web Business Finder that would help users discover profitable website-based business ideas based on their skills, their budget, available time, experience level, and even target market. So the home, you can see all those other cool stuff there. So as a matter of fact, if there's a way you want your app to look, you can just add an image here for you to upload that screenshot. You can go to any online market vendor and look for any app, or maybe there's an actual app that you love the idea in terms of design and structure. You can just screenshot it and give it to this app. It will be a good video or a good image guide for the app. So right, that's our base prompt there. You can see that Hosting Horizon is thinking, so we're going to give this app some time to come back with results. Awesome. So this is just done right now, and we have something visual for us to see. You can see just like that, we have something here, website business finder, and find the right online business for you, find your business idea. Okay, okay. This is not a bad one. 5 quick questions, get a match business idea, follow your 7-day plan. All right, all right. So let's click this. Let's see what this would do. All right. So we have something here. What skill do you have? Okay. Let's just say WordPress for now. Let's continue. Okay. Can I go back? Can I pick more than one skill? Oh, fantastic. WordPress, web design, and digital marketing. Let's continue. Let's see that. What is your starting budget? Let's say I have 200 to $500. Let's continue. How much time can you commit weekly? Let's say I can commit 10 to 20 hours weekly. And who would you prefer to sell to? Creators and influencers, schools, individuals. Let's just say local businesses. And let's say online businesses too. Okay, I can only choose only one here. Is that good? Can't I sell to more than one person, one audience, or I don't know. But again, let's just continue this. What type of business do you prefer? Uh, okay, I think choosing local businesses now is not asking for what type of business. Wow, I think that's fantastic. I would have loved to see what it would have given me if I had chosen maybe other platforms. Let's just do service business. Can I choose two? Just one. Send me my business idea. Done for you. Digital marketing and arts management for local business. Your personalized match done for you. Digital marketing and arts management for local businesses. Wow, why it fits you. You already have digital marketing skill backed with WordPress and web design. That's the hardest part of most beginners. That's the hardest part most beginners are missing. With a budget of $200 to $500 and 10 to 20 hours a week to commit, a service business built around done for you digital marketing and art management is realistic. Ideal customers and owner-operated local business, contractor, salon, restaurant, gym, clinics. Oh, yeah, fantastic problem that I solve. Wow. Most local businesses know they need marketing, but don't have the time, data, or confidence to run it themselves. They know it's costing them customers and credibility. By fixing it isn't their priority or expertise. Service and product to offer, manage ad campaigns, email funnels, and monthly performance reports. Wow. Suggested pricing model, estimated startup cost, difficulty level is moderate, potential monthly income. Oh my goodness. And then I have my 7-day validation plan. Define your one-time offer, build a simple proof asset, list 20 real prospects. Wow. I think this is fantastic. Don't you think so? This is fantastic. Wow. I love this. Let's see how this is responsive on mobile. Absolutely. Absolutely. This is beautiful. So now we can see that we have a very beautiful website here. I can prompt this further to style this in a different way or maybe make it more modern. But for the functionality, I think this is good. Right now, I want users here to be able to create an account for them to be able to use this because we want this to be a fully mobile app, one that can register, that can sign up, that can log in, that can do all those kind of awesome stuff. So right now, let's prompt Horizon further to add that functionality. So I'll come down here, I'll paste this. By the way, this is my second prompt for this app, and this is super, super awesome. So if I come up here, I say add user authentication to this application using the integrated backend. Allow users to create an account, log in. You can see all the stuff there. Let's send this over and let this build this out again for us. All right, Ostinger Rising is done again, and we can see already here that we have the option for login. So let's come here. We can see login into your account, but let's see if we can create an account. Okay, let me just call this dApps. Um, Let me use a random email. Let's have a password. Let's create an account. Okay, so you can see that now users can come here to create an account and you can see a dashboard called My Business Ideas. Discover my first business idea and they can log out from here just like that. Super simple, super easy. Discover my first business idea and now they can come here and then they can begin to maybe this time around let's work with just sales and then let's say we have AI. Let's continue. Let's see this. I have just 50 to 200. Uh, I have full time. Let's see. Um, Not sure yet. Let's see. What type of business do you prefer? Let's just to say not sure. Okay, AI power content and automation service for small business and individuals. 76% business fit score. Okay. And then we can see all of this. Wow. And our 7-day validator plan. Okay. All right. I think this is becoming super, super interesting. So right now you might be wondering, okay, if someone creates an account, how do I get to see this? And that's the backend building here. So you can see from here, we have the preview, we have data, we have the code. If you come to code, you'll be able to see the code, the actual code for your app. But if you come to data, you'll be able to see okay, view and manage this is still in beta, got it, and then we can switch between test and live. uh, we got it. Okay, so from our test now, so we can see the user. I just created an account myself. You can see this is the ID, this is my email, this is my name as dApps, and then you can see that that has been captured into test. I would probably need to publish this app before I can see a live. So you can see for live now, I need to publish this. So that's how super, super awesome this is. I can keep developing this app however I want. Let's say that I want to make this a 7-day validator plan an actual progress tracker. I want people to be able to track what they do from day 1 to day 7. We want to make this a proper app, and I also probably will want to monetize this too as well. So I will just drop another prompt here And if I want to go through my prompt, you can see turn the 7-day validation plan into a functional progress tracker. Users should be able to mark each day's action as complete and then show percentage completed, progress bar, and all the likes. So let's just run this. This is super exciting. And I just love the fact that I can build my app, I can launch it, I can save it all in one platform. Super exciting stuff. So we'll wait for this to finish up and then we'll continue the tutorial. All right, I think this is done again. Yeah, okay. Let's come back to my ideas and let's see. Uh, let's see if we have that done for us. I don't even know what I'm choosing. I just know I'm choosing something. Save this business idea. Okay, I think this is what I should have done earlier. I should have been able to save this so that once I'm coming back, I can see difficulty level advanced. Okay, so you can see now I now have my 7 day now currently on day one. So you can see I can retake this. I can go back to top. Let's go back to top and let's save this business idea. I probably will want to even spend my time on this to make sure I'm able to come up with a fantastic app. So maybe I will even stop here. I don't want to make this very long, but I'm getting some inspiration just trying to do this. And I love the idea of just being able to build this without any form of restriction, and then I can have this all in one singular platform. And super awesome there. I begin to think of how I can monetize this, have a premium user and have free users, and then how I can also improve the home page. The home page is super lame and basic, so I'll probably be spending more time doing this. As a matter of fact, I'm going to leave the link to this app in the video description for you to check the app out, and I probably will keep building this app. I probably might make it a very good business, really. So if you want to learn more and follow up on this app idea, you're super excited about this, ensure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'm definitely going to be doing more with this app and be building this. Maybe I'll continue it in my next tutorial, or maybe I will just I don't know what I'll do about this, but I leave that. So once you're done with your app, really, what you want to do is just come up here and then publish your app. So you don't need anything more than that. So you can say this is publishing. That's it. This is done. And this is hosted on a temporary domain for us. And you can see here, I can connect a custom domain. This, if you buy a premium plan, you have access to free domain that you can use literally for free. But I will just leave this on a temporary domain for now. I'm not sure yet what domain I want to use. So just like that, my app idea is live. No Vercel, no Supabase, nothing. And then I have a backend where I can see all users. I can track my app. Super awesome. So you can see this. I definitely will leave a link to this in the video description. I'm gonna be building this way more, and then you also can come here and just come test your business ideas and see what you can do with it. Don't you find this super awesome? Super awesome. And if for any reason I want to connect this to a custom domain, I'm sure I'm ready, I want to launch out big time, I can just click this here, and then this will bring me back to the hosting panel for me to just maybe buy a domain name here or claim one literally for free. So let's say I want to call this, what's the name of that app again? It's called Web Business Finder. Let's copy this. So this is how to claim your domain name for free. Let's see if we have uh, a domain name free that we can use for that. Webbusinessfinder.com is available. .com is available, and I can claim this literally for free from here. So you can see that once I select this, I go next, I put in my details, and then I can just check out, and that's it. My app is super done, just like that. No hassle from idea to implementation to even monetization. I intend to monetize this app. I probably will do another follow-up tutorial on this. If you're interested in this app and you want to see how I'm going to build this app, you can let me know in the comment section. If I get good feedback on this, I probably will have maybe a platform for us to keep tabs with this project and do cool stuff together, really. So just let me know what you think about this in the video description. And that's my time for this. I hope you find it very useful. If you find it useful, give the thumbs up. I will definitely put the link to Hosting Horizon in the video description so that you can check it out. Super awesome tool. You also see a coupon code down there in the video description for you to just start using this, and you can start this literally for free as well. Thank you so much for watching this. Keep building. All the best. I will see you in another one.